Making money online can feel like chasing a mirage. I've tried countless online hustles, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, freelance gigs, you name it. Most of them left me frustrated and broke. But then I stumbled into game development, purely out of curiosity, and it became the only side hustle that actually worked for me. Why game development? Honestly, I was drawn by the jaw-dropping numbers. The gaming industry is worth an estimated $455 billion. That's a lot of money floating around, so why not try to grab a slice? My teenage self loved playing FIFA, and Tekken 3 was the first game I ever bought for my PS1. Without giving it much thought, I decided I wanted to create a AAA game. Yeah, super unrealistic. I didn't know the first thing about making games, but I dove in with Unreal Engine and my trusty, and soon-to-be overworked, laptop. That's how my very first game, DARKAIR, a combat flying racing game, was born. It wasn't a masterpiece by any stretch, but I launched it on Steam and surprisingly made $154. Not stopping there, I took the game's template and sold it on itch.io, earning another $22, all of this without spending a dime on marketing. The gaming community, to my surprise, turned out to be incredibly supportive and generous. Looking back, there are so many things I would have done differently. Hindsight really is 2020. Like plan the rollout. I rushed into launching my game without a real strategy. A clear launch plan would have saved me a lot of headaches. Share the journey. Platforms like YouTube, Reddit, and Twitter are goldmines for indie game devs. If I had shared my progress, I might have built a following and even pre-sold copies. Don't rush development. I was so eager to finish the game in 6 months that I cut corners. Taking more time could have improved the final product. Avoid overworking my laptop. Using a basic laptop for game development was a disaster. By the end, the screen had cracked from overheating. Despite the challenges, game development worked for me because it combines passion and a massive market. It wasn't about creating the next Elden Ring or Call of Duty. It was about learning the basics, making something playable, and getting it out there. Even though DARKAIR didn't make me rich, it proved that I could actually create and sell a game. That's something no other side hustle ever did for me. Game development isn't easy, but it's doable, even if you're starting from scratch like I did. The gaming industry is booming, and people are surprisingly willing to support indie creators. If you've ever considered giving it a shot, my advice is simple. Start small, take your time, and don't fry your laptop. At the end of the day, I didn't launch DARKAIR to make a fortune. I just wanted to see if I could do it. Turns out I could, and you might be able to as well.